team of developers, and together we create custom websites and web applications that truly stands out. We specialize in bunch of technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Next.js, Node.js and PHP. Our goal is to turn your ideas into reality that are just right for you. Whether you are looking for a sleek website, custom features for WordPress or Shopify, or a full-fledged web application, we are here to help. We make sure everything we build is not just good looking, but also fast and easy to use. We also create no-code websites on platforms like WordPress, Shopify, Wix, etc. We can also add custom features for your sales funnels on GoHighLevel, Clickfunnels and many more. Looking for a custom calculator? We design them using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, ensuring they can be seamlessly integrated into any platform. We care a lot about quality and making sure our clients are happy. So, if you are ready to take your online presence to the next level, check out our services. Let's build something amazing together.